You have to file the articles of incorporation. So you pay your fee, you file with the Department of State, and once they return those, and they have to make sure that that the name that the person has chosen is clear. And when I represent people, I do a check for them. You can actually pay the state to actually make a judgment on whether or not your name will be acceptable before you file, but that costs money, and then you have to wait for the turnaround. And if you have something that's close to another one and you're concerned about it, you can always file it, and the state will tell you if that's too close, and they will give you a certain amount of time to amend that. So you file your articles of incorporation. If you have any assets that you're going to place into the business, those need to have the title changed or the deed changed, or whatever designation that you use needs to be changed over into the corporation, so that the corporation, as I explained before, wasn't just a shell. So you could go, oh, wait, look, I have a corporation, but you really haven't acted like a corporation. That's a problem. So you have to make sure that those are in there. Once you get your federal ID number, and you have to get a certified copy of the articles of incorporation from the state of Florida to open a bank account in the corporate name. And once you have that, then you can start taking checks. You can start advertising as an incorporated entity, and operate as a corporation. So you have to file the necessary documents, and you have to make sure that you don't overlap or infringe on somebody else's protected name. And once you do that, then you need to file your S designation if you're going to be an S corporation versus a C corporation. And then you need to make sure that the assets are transferred over and the bank accounts are opened in the name of the LLC.